So as you saw, my area around my chicken coop is a little bit of a disaster. It was overgrown, about 4 or 5 feet tall. So now that that's pulled out, now it's time to actually figure out what we're going to do to fix the coop and to make it something that doesn't look like a complete eyesore and actually serves its purpose. So this is sitting on a 14-foot square concrete pad. The pad is not square and the pad is not perfectly level. So I need to come back and fix stuff like this where I have gaps, because obviously that's just inviting rainwater in. I also want it to be something that is connected to some indoor chicken runs. So that's today's project, is to figure out where those are going to go, how big they're going to be, and get some posts dug so that I can put the 4x4s in and frame it and go from there. Here we go. All right, so I put a flag in 10 feet out from the concrete pad. That would give me a chicken run or a duck run area of about 10 by 14 feet, which I think is going to be about right. That would keep it in line with the pad. It would also mean that I could landscape around it, and the entire pad area that's so hard to get to and weed whack and keep clean would be covered up. So I think that would probably be about right. So let's see if we can get this flattened out. All right, so I think this will do it for now. It is absolutely not perfect, but it's as flat as I can get, and it'll work. It is an 8 by 10 space. I've got the same thing on the other side, but that one's a little bit deeper. So I think I can actually make it where the two sides are the same height, as it were. So these are set in 2 feet from the east and the west side of the concrete pad. They are 8 foot out, 10 foot wide. So I've got 2 8 by 10 run spaces, and then the 14-foot square pad with coop setup, which I'll talk about later. All right, so corner posts are in. Everything is perfectly level, which is awesome. We'll let these dry for a day or two, and then I'll come back. I will do the ones closest to the existing concrete pad, which will be the new chicken coop, and the other two off that. I want one solid one that I know is in line, since I'm obviously going to the other side of the coop, and something that I can measure off of so that everything is square. So that's it for this one. About 2 months of work in this video, but hey, we're making progress. And by November I'll have snow, so I've got to get this coop done, built, and installed. So stick around. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.